Hey friends, if rounded corners are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the rounded corner effect is way more pleasing than the sharp corner ones. Like we see sharp corners here, but if it was a rounded corner, then it would be more appealing to the eyes. And that is what happens with Windows 11. It was a welcome change. But if you don't see this, then you will have to update your operating system because this has been introduced as a part of an update. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update your graphics drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the first one and select display adapter and right click on the second one and update the drivers. The last solution is to refresh your operating system. Now, how do we do this? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on recovery. Corresponding to reset, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally click on cloud download. So these were the usual steps, but here's one more thing you can try. You can try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. And yes, there is one more setting, though it is enabled by default, but if it is not, then you can enable it. So search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and make sure that all of these boxes are checked, or simply click on adjust for best appearance. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.